Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Unique here, and in today's video, I'm just here sitting down on my chair. Haven't been recording a video in the longest, like for real, the longest. The last two videos I uploaded were some car videos, some little cinematic videos. But I'm here today just to talk to you guys and get you updated to what's been going on with me. Let's start off with what have I been up to. I haven't been doing much this summer. You know, I've just been chilling. You know, I haven't done much. The good thing this summer that what happened is that I got a car, which that's the most surprising thing. You know, that's the main reason why I'm making this video, just to show you that I got a car. Yeah, so about my car, I have a 2006 Civic Si, which is a Honda, but I went for the, you know, I could have got any other car other than that, but it's cause my brother, he has an SI, so like, you know, I wanted to go with, like, you know, and he has like a very clean SI. I've showcased it in one of my in the Honda Day video. I showcased it in that one. It's a very clean SI, and you know, I'm just going from what he's doing. I want to like follow his steps. He has a very clean SI, so you know, I want to have a very clean SI as well. And you know, SIs, they're very affordable. They're fuel efficient. You know, they don't waste that much. They don't waste that much gas. So you know, it's good for me, a high schooler. And it's also stick shift. You know, I wanted to get a stick shift. I didn't want to get an automatic car just because I feel like automatic cars are pretty boring to me. So yeah, so that's the reason why I got an SI. And because, you know, the parts are cheap. Everything is cheap for that SI. You know, not really like, I'm not going to go for eBay parts and stuff like that. I want to go for quality over quantity. So I'm not going to put no random eBay parts there. I think the only eBay parts I'm going to be putting on the car is mainly the lips. The lip kit, which is the side skirts, the front lip, and the rear lip. But other than that, like engine wise or like interior wise, it's not gonna be nothing from eBay. Hopefully, not really. Hopefully, if I can afford it, I'm not gonna go and buy a knockoff from eBay or stuff like that. No, I'm just not going for that. I want to get my car like with quality stuff, and you know, it might take a while for me to get it where it's gonna be at or where I want it to be at. But you know, I'm willing to do anything for that car. You know, I'm gonna be uploading more car videos because I'm really into like cars and like modding cars and stuff like that, car shows, car meets, and everything. I'm gonna be modding my car over time. So throughout the journey of the car, I'm gonna be modding it, yeah, and then I'm gonna be recording it. I wanna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing with the car. I wanna get you guys interacted with kind of my life. You know, I'm gonna be doing more vlogs, more stuff like that. I want to get a new camera. I currently have the Rebel T6 EOS, the series. But I want to get a new one just because with this camera you can't add an external microphone onto it because it doesn't have the input, which is a bummer. And I should have like researched it more before I got it. And you know, as I said, I want to get into more like vlogging type videos or stuff like that. Not really vlogging like throughout the whole day, but like, you know, just like, you know, just me working on my car, or me doing something involving my car, stuff like that. Cause that's what I'm really going for this channel. I want to make it into more of a car channel, just because I'm not really into gaming that much no more. You know, Fortnite, I really don't enjoy that game at all. Call of Duty, I enjoy that game a lot, but it's dead. I doubt anybody will want to watch it, and I doubt I want to play it either, because you know, I rarely be on my desk. I rarely like even use my computer. I just recently built. I want to change my YouTube subject more into like the car scenery, but of course I'm like throughout my channel, throughout the time, I might upload some gaming videos here and there. You know, if I get a good gameplay, I might upload it. But mainly, I want to focus on my car and mainly just do stuff for the car. But yeah, I'm just here explaining what's going on and what's been going on with me. I got a new car, Civic Si 2006 8th gen. But yeah, just expect more car videos to be coming soon. Hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, here I'm gonna put a little film like after I finish talking. There's gonna be a little film of me showcasing my car. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.